Yan si Rico. Nahiwa ang paa. Mami. Baka madulas, laglag to kung. Hindi, ganyan lang muna. Ba't nandilim kung? Pero malinaw ito mamaya.
Oh.
Magaling na kagad, diba?
Ito, tika may isang
Baka asan yung sugat? Mali, kasi yung malaki, Ayun, naku, hindi ko makita.
Laki dami yung pinubukan.
Doon sila. Tapos,
Kaya ako.
no, may ano naman, may lupit naman. Video muna.
May laglag mo yung cellphone.
Eh, si Step, oh. Lakad ka na doon, Step. May lubid, ah. Lubid. Yung talian yung pag ganun.
Saan kasi nasa water? Punta kaya tayo rin sa bundok.
Kalatagan.
Apat na ano. Kaya dito na.
Video.
Yun.
Hindi sila marunong. Kailangan,
Hindi na traffic eh.
saka hindi kailangan may marunong sa kanila.
Hindi sa papunta rin eh.
Oh, Ram, diretso na. Ram, diretso na. Ayun na lang kay tatay. Ano resort natin?
Ha?
Ano yung resort to? Kanluran?
Little Boracay.
Ah, Little Boracay doon? Ganda dito. Nagme-makeup kasi sila eh.
Naka-live ka? Naka-live?
Hindi naman, video lang. Brother Jerry. Yun o. Brother Jerry. Mount Fuji. There o. Mount Fuji.
Sana. Mga
Ha? Fujimoto.
Mount Fuji ah.
Mount Fuji daw.
Fuji.
Dami pa ng dala ni tatay naman eh. Yung ano, yung sa binayaran natin, 30 matanda, di ba? 30, tapos 24 sa bata. Pag batang isip pala, 50. Binayad niya, 50 eh.
Hindi pa dinayat na.
RJ yun.
Papakita mo naman magkano.
Oo.
Pinaban ako kanina, kala ko naiwan yung pinapda.
Akala ko naiwan.
3 kilo pa naman bugtog niya.
Mamaya uli.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Ay, kaway-kaway! Woo! Woo! Kinakabahan niya. Nakakatawa pero kinakabahan niya. Lakas ng loob. Ng puhunan. Brother Ben, bakit ka sumama? Anong budget?
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear them scream. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to pop. Thinking big, never small,